Is that good? Do you want some more? Can you say more? Do you want some more? More? Getting.
More is not a point.
I don't think she wants more yet because it's in her mouth. Do you want some more? More. Okay. Here's a piece. Just thinking about it. Yep. Use your hands, Goose. It's too hard. Is that too big of a piece? Here, let me break it. There you go. There's more. Is that better? Oh, there you go. Now you're using your hands. You don't like that piece? Is it a reject? Oh, okay.
Let us know, huh?
Like a banana? Yes. Do you want some more? Some more, please. Yes, okay. There's some more. You're trying it. No, you're doing a good job. You're doing a good job, honey. What do you think? That's probably an old banana. You can eat that one. Here's a fresh one. It's a little too far away. I'm sorry. Try again. Try again. Here, just when you have to. Is that good? Look at that dimple. That kitty's being bad, huh? Get off. Off the counter. Off. Off. Want some more? Oh, you got more. Oh, she can do it. Yesterday she was getting it a lot. I think that one. Is that one too little? Eat it, don't just smush it in your hand. Put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth. Yes. The banana, not your fingers. That's confusing, huh?